Hello and welcome to a new episode of Turbo Dismount. And we'll go right to it. Let's see. More chase. We shall do more chase. There's cop cars everywhere. I shall do vehicles. And I shall do a bird. Yes, a bird. I shall position this character very strangely. Perfect. And for obstacles, I shall put one here. Turbo. Turbo. And I shall do a big ramp. Ready? Steering. Let's see how this would... No, not that kind of steering. Perfect. It is ready. Go, fabulous chicken, go! The cops can't get me. They shall not. No! No! Everything has went into disaster. Everything. Everything has went to disaster. Time to reset and redo. One more time. I shall. That was very, very weak. But that shall have to do. Move that booty. Shake. No! No! Everything has failed. Once more, I have to do it once again. Go! Go, bud. Go! That's cop one. Perfect. Wait, what happened there? Oops. Sorry. That is very oh. But somehow the chicken is still moving. The chicken is still moving. The chicken is still being chased. The chicken succeeds. And broke. Beautiful. That is very beautiful. And here we see the cinematic view. One cop car, two cop cars. Barely missed by a scratch as the other car drift. The bird flew as the cop car did too. The human got ran over, but the chicken does not care. The chicken still keeps on going, still being followed by the police. And then a sudden landing has come forth. Once again, that was a success. Ooh, what's this? Ooh. Yes, let's do this. Oh no! Immediately broke into pieces, ran over by a cop car. The person is quite broken into pieces. We saw how the vehicle was like. Let's see how the person feels. Oh, broken by his own machinery. That is very brutal. Poses. Right there. Perfect. Perfect. We shall see the human fail. And fall and probably die. And there we saw it. A human at full speed of a jet. Oh wait, not to offend anyone, but I shall call this a jet. Broken into pieces. The police, ever so brutal. Shame on them. Here, I shall become the police. They will probably never notice. Oh no, they found out my identity. Run! Run, little guy, run! Run! Oh no. It has been stuck and still bombarded by the police. Is the human okay? Is this human alright? Nope. Nope, they are not alright. And another hit! If the first one and second one weren't enough, and there's his leg. His puny leg. Just torn off. And the police still trying to hit him. Circling around him just in case he wants to get out. Another one. But in a different stage. Select level. The getaway. Run! 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 Let no one attack you. No touch you. Oh, never mind. You're already breaking into pieces. No cop car. Perfect. Run! Run, little Stevenson. Yes, your new name is Stevenson. Perfect. We shall do this with a quad fin fighter. At full speed. And there goes one. Look at the police, how they damage the city streets. Safely home. Harsh. Oh. Still trying to get home. Almost there. Almost there. So close. He's still trying to insert himself into the wall. Still going through. Nailed it. Beautiful. Well, that's about it for now. Thank you all for watching this. And here, let's run with sweet justice. Thank you everyone for watching. This has been a very good time with Turbo Dismount. Thank you, and goodbye.